Hi there guys, welcome back to the Founding channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to mine proof of work blocks. Okay, so proof of blocks is a cryptocurrency that's only just been released. As of the date of this video, this is only 32 hours old of a cryptocurrency, and it doesn't even have an exchange listed as of right now. So just to give you guys a bit of a intro and a bit of a summary to proof of work blocks: decentralization block by block. Proof of work blocks is a dedicated decentralized layer 1 proof of work blockchain tailored for the mining community. Proof of work blocks distinguishes itself from all other Ethash based cryptocurrencies through its distinctive emission model and ingrained block halving system. Also offering a no pre-mine fairness from the start, no pre-mine on proof of work blocks, efficiency, difficulty adjustment to prevent instant mining and forks, and block reward deduction, so 5% block reward reduction every 200,000 blocks. Okay, so what we're going to need to do to get ourselves mining on proof of work blocks is we're going to need to set this up on our MetaMask. If we click this at the top, it should pop up a little dialog box within your MetaMask, and what you're going to need to do is make sure that you're in the right network, and so we're going to switch the network there, and proof of works has been added successfully. So what that means is we would just open up our wallet, and from there we would just need to copy our address. Okay, so now that we have our wallet address set up on MetaMask, what we need to do is take ourselves over to mining pool stats and pick a pool of your own choice. I wouldn't recommend always picking the top and the largest pool, but pick the pool of your choice. So for myself personally, I'm just going to go with mining for people. I think they're great guys. Let's move on there. Like I say, I know the issues I've had, but move that to a side. Let's get ourselves connected up to mine some proof of work blocks. So if we take ourselves over to here, we're going to be on Windows. We're going to be using an NVIDIA GPU. We're going to be using a Germany Stratum for ourselves. Like I say, you'll be using something completely different potentially for yourselves. I've pasted in there my wallet address, and I'll just call myself 3090 because that's what I'll be using this on. And all we need to do is just copy this to the clipboard. Okay, so what also we're going to need to do as well is grab ourselves a mining software. Okay, so we'll be leaving all the links for you guys down in the description, but as you can see here, we're on the LOL Miner GitHub, and I will leave a link, as I say, down in the description so you can download this nice and easy and quick for yourself. So I'm going to be clicking on the Windows 64 zip version, and I'm going to download and extract that to my desktop. And then from there, what we're going to do is, if I close this down as well, we move this file over onto the front of the desktop, open this up, and if you still have the mining for people's clipboard still saved, we should be able to just go through here and edit one of the older files. So if we just go and paste all this in here, save this as, maybe quickly rename this as well, just put this proof of work blocks, that'll be fine like that. And one of the things that I do like about the proof of work blocks is that it does run on the Ethash algorithm, so that means that we can run and use all of the same settings as we would have done for running Ethereum back in the day. So this could be a lot more easy for a lot of people to jump all their rigs on and get themselves set up and nice and running smooth. So let's get this set up before we do any of the overclocking or anything like that. And assuming that this is set up correctly, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to set this on Hive OS. Really nice and simple. And as I say, don't forget guys, make sure that you set your overclock settings. It's very important. Okay, so now that we're mining on proof of work blocks, let's take ourselves back over to mining for people or any pool of your choice, which one you're mining on. Paste in there the wallet address and press on search, and as you can see, over a little bit of period of time, you will start to accumulate some information onto your dashboard. It'll also show you when you received your last known share, and it should update with your hash rate. Right, so there you have it, guys. You should now be successfully mining on proof of work blocks on the miningforpeoplepool.com. Don't forget as well, guys, to make sure that you jump into our Discord. Let me know if you guys want to see and request any type of how-to mines for any cryptocurrencies. And also as well, don't forget to jump in there to keep yourself updated for any of the giveaways that we have going on. And also as well, for those of you that have watched this video, make sure to leave your wallet address down in the comment sections, and what I'll do is I'll pick one of you guys and I'll throw whatever I earn in today's earnings to one of those wallet addresses. Right, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.